Yo, I hate shit in the woods. Ain't no dang toilet paper. Yo, Mr. Poopoo, go get us some toilet paper.
Okay. Here you go.
Mr. Poopoo, you're so stupid. That's not toilet paper, that's a rock. Now go find somebody who can help.
Oh, can you help me buy toilet paper? Okay, fuck you.
Some people ask, does a bear shit in the woods? Yo, I can't stop shitting in the woods. That's why I use the double ply for my sensitive rear end.
Oh, cool. Thank you.
Yeah, now we can resume our hunting trip.
Kill him. I hate that asshole.
Yeah. Bo shizzle.